From the beginning of time, our ability to survive and thrive has been intertwined with plants. Whether we were foragers or setting up civilizations next to our cultivations, our physical and biological histories and destinies have always been linked. We have evolved together. And this evolution continues to this day. In fact, the better scientific resources we have, the more capable we are of extracting the best nutritional and medicinal benefits that plants offer us. These medicinal benefits come from special compounds in plants called secondary metabolites. For example, fenugreek or Trigonella phoinum graecum has always been given particular importance in ancient India. In fact, practitioners of Ayurveda have suggested the use of fenugreek for improving appetite and digestive power. This 5,000-year-old practice of healing also believed that this simple seed could boost blood levels and help detoxify the body. It is also known to manage the blood sugar levels in diabetic patients due to the presence of secondary metabolites 4-hydroxyisoleucine and trigonelline. Consumption of only 500 milligrams of these compounds per day is required to maintain healthy blood sugar levels. But there's a catch. To consume 500 milligrams of these specific secondary metabolites, you will need to eat 5 kgs of fenugreek seeds per day. How do we get all its benefits without consuming an impossible amount of fenugreek? The answer is simple: isolation.
What we do as a company is we believe that food can be medicine. We do naturally, truly isolate molecules which nature produces, and we put them through a rigorous process of scientific examination, and we create safety and efficacy for these products which can be used for the purpose of preservation of health and wellness.
Natrusolate is the incredible range of natural isolates offered by Indus Biotech, a pioneer in deriving science-based dietary ingredients from food chain raw materials through revolutionary patented technology. Natrusolate enables healthy living through innovative and evidence-based consumer healthcare products.
We are talking about heart function, then we need to do preclinical animal studies to prove that it is improving heart function. We normally go through a peer-reviewed publication. Thereafter, we do very rigorous toxicology prescribed by OECD guidelines, and we make sure that they are indeed safe. After that, we go for human clinical trial. And most of our trials are the gold standard of double-blind placebo-controlled study, which is used for drug discovery.
And it all begins with finding the right raw materials. Since we are dealing with natural isolates, using anything other than the best plant raw materials would never yield the right results. In order to make sure our consumers get the best nature can offer, we go the distance to get the finest plant raw materials available on the planet. Fenugreek seed, or Trigonella phoinum graecum, Madhya Pradesh, India. Grapeseed, Vitis vinifera L., Champagne, France. Gotu-kola, Centella asiatica, Madagascar. Cinnamon bark, Cinnamomum zelanicum, Sri Lanka. We know the people who dedicate their lives to growing this high-quality produce because we have been a part of their journey for years. We help them build processes, gain recognition, maintain consistency, and meet global standards. We have nurtured relationships with these growers and providers through trust and transparency.
We wanted to have a raw material which is rich in the particular phytochemical. We can call it as a marker compound.
We go to great lengths to purify it and do NMR studies. Second thing is that we have to know the natural product. For example, fenugreek is produced by nature. And nature, there are a lot of variability. So what fenugreek you get this year may be different from what you get next year. There will be variations. We also make robust processes for extraction so that same molecule is pulled out even next year, even if it's not abundantly available in the fenugreek seed.
Once these raw materials reach our state-of-the-art facility in Pune, they are put through concrete screening and testing processes. All our products must stand up to our manufacturing principles of authenticity to ensure product integrity and maintain traceability. Safety. We guarantee the safety of our products for long-term consumption. Stringent quality control. Quality control testing includes chemical, physical, and biological analysis through instruments like the high-performance liquid chromatograph, HPLC, gas chromatograph, and induced coupled plasma mass spectrometer, ICP-MS.
So basically, we are selling a research-based product. So science is inherent part of product. The tagline: science, safety, efficacy.
And one issue with respect to any natural product is, it can get contaminated with other similar looking raw materials. For example, fenugreek seed and wheat can be mistaken.
That is why if the DNA, which is a molecular level, they isolate the DNA and try to fingerprint it. With the standard, they will match it. It is very difficult to match with a different raw material. So in our area, we use it to find out authentic raw material.
And we have quality assurances which make sure that not a single product will fail in any of the quality metrics. As a company, we have invested in human capital for a long time. So we talk about one is individual competence. Similarly, individual has to become very competent in a team. That is depending on others. We develop these things through training. I believe that we have been very successful. If our customer is a brand maker is putting out a product, we want to make sure that it is made in the best of facilities. So we have built world-class facilities which is conforming to the requirements of US FDA requirements, proper GMP. So these are the services we offer, that is from the farm to the end product, we are responsible.
Shortcuts, hustles, and quick fixes are not for us. We like doing things differently and doing them well. We believe that when you do things well, goodness grows and compounds into something wonderful, into a better life and a better future. Therefore, we like to work with people who are just as passionate and obsessed about doing things the right way as we are, even if it is the hard way.